paying attention to my last video, we had a shitload of stuff I said was going to get done here yesterday on Monday, and we did it. We were doing driveways, we were doing painting, we were doing starting up cars, we were doing welding, we were doing body work, we did it all. 4 guys, 8 hours, we did it. Let's take a look. So the 72 is mounted on the truck frame, chassis, however you prefer to say it, with a beautiful custom mixed paint color. It looks black when you stand back, but actually it's a very, you can't see it because the light's not here right now, but it's got tons of pearl in it. That's what's going on there. That's mounted. The CUDA is out and in the bay now. We got it all done. Chris took care of that. Mike is here today. He's working away on the Carmagea. Look at this thing. These poor people brought it in for a little bit of body work. And you know, you remember this in the past videos. They're grinding away, and this is what Mike found here. And you can't, you know, I mean, you can leave that shit, I guess, if you want to do a hack and whack, but what's the point, right? So they bought all the panels. There's some panels sitting here. They bought all the panels, and this is what Mike's involved with today. Like, look at this thing. It says, this is here. If you wonder what this is, if you got a Carmagea yourself, there's your electrical wires. They run through there. Plus your heater runs down in here. And yeah, this is quite the shit show. But he's getting it. We'll get up in here and see if we can. There we go. And of course that all attaches to the floor. So these panels overlap the floor. And of course once you get that out, you can see then you get the rust happening in the floor. So now you got to do repairs here, which people never see. The customer never sees this. Because by the time the customer gets here, we'll have this repaired, and then the next panel overlaps that. So it's all the hidden stuff that people never see, and they wonder why their bill is what their bill is. But this is why we do our videos. So that is what's going on there. Oh. So that is the project for Mike today. Bruce got all the body work done on the truck cab yesterday. He's got it all done. He was reaching up to get to higher places in life here at Old Time Garage, and he did it. He got the body work all done on the cab. He did forget to do the interior. He forgot the doors. Yeah, he forgot a lot of stuff there yesterday, Bruce.
Wasn't on the work order, buddy.
So Bruce is still going to be down on the bottom of the ladder for a day or two.
That's where I've been my whole life.
So that's what's happening there. So, but he did a beautiful job. He got her all fixed up. He got done exactly what had to be done. And then we got the truck box last night. Got painted. This is my own box for Big Red. There it is. Jared did a wonderful job. Again, I won't be putting the I won't be painting the rest of the truck this year. I have no time for that. But look at how beautiful that looks. So I guess Big Red's name, we'll have to change it from Big Red to Patches now. All the different colors going on. And then Sean's in here working on something. Well, now he's taking off.
No, drain the compressor.
Oh, drain. Okay. Oh, and then I'll show you guys this. So I'll do another video on this one. You guys notice I've been doing videos. I do all these things, part 1, 2, and 3 of the Camaro. But I did get it all braced up there, all braced up there, across the frame. There's more bracing underneath, and of course that's what I'm on today. I'm cutting the floor up there. But I'll show you that in a later video later on. You don't need to see that right now. And Sean is working on the fenders for that 56 Chevy pickup. There we go. Sanding off all this black shit. All these parts that come to you with all this crap on, sand that shit off of there. Get rid of it. You know, get it down, you know, so you can, you know, get it down like that. He's got this one like he's getting it all straightened out. He's doing a wonderful job. He's just doing a beautiful job there. So that's what Sean's on today. And Chris got the CUDA pretty much done yesterday. Now he's back on. My buddy, remember the shoe box? This was in a video a while back, a 50 Meteor. He brought it in because he decided he wanted to put a new carburetor on it. The carb that was on it was working good, but it didn't have a choke, and he wanted to go to a little bigger carburetor, so he's got himself a newer carburetor. So Chris is taking care of that for him today. So that's what's going on. So there we go. That is it. So, I'll get back in here. There's the doors for the 80 Chev pickup that Bruce is working on. They're right there. Ready to go. That's it. Well, No last words from anybody here?
Everybody's running from the camera.
Everybody's running from the camera. Holy shit, how are you going to get famous if you run from the camera? That's it. Okay, well, that's all you're going to get to see. Nobody wants to be on film today. They're all too tired. Remember, guys, always a good time at Old Time. All you guys watching, you need to look up on Facebook. You need to go to, on my Facebook, there's Old Time Garage. Look it up because I'm posting videos there, 1 and 2 minute videos during the day of stuff you're not seeing here on YouTube. So go to Facebook, look there, and you can also go to my Instagram page, which is Rick's_Old Time Garage. But Facebook, definitely, you got to check it out under there. So check it out. Okay, bye.